Guys, in this video we are playing Roblox. Now let's start. Don't forget to like and subscribe into our channel. So,
Don't you need to, do you think, don't you need to talk to a friend or
yes, I
maybe
want
go
to.
out or,
Come on.
socialize, meet some people that might probably help you to lead to less your emotions?
Okay. Yo,
Kung saan ikaw doon nakakita ko yung babae. Isa may gasol.
Hanggang ngayon
oo,
nandun.
Pinaalis ko na kanin.
Bakit nandun?
Alam mo, parang
oo,
bunti.
mas
Wala pala ito si...
Ito tila o
Si
din.
Wilton. Wala ko nandun.
Sinabi mo kayo nandun.
Hindi pa. Eh, wala. Pinaalis. Inano ko lang. Sabi ko mamaya tanggal ka sa akin. Pinalabas
Kasi
ko.
nga ni inay.
Oo. Kaya pala itong multo na to. Nandun lang eh.
Pero hindi nakaaway.
Hindi, basta naingaw-ingaw siya
Oo.
doon. Para siyang nagsisiping yung dalawa. Pare si Tigre.
Yung may tali sa ulo. Sa...
Oo, yun.
Oo, medyo payat.
Oo. Wala pala ito. Siguro na
This is not your Advanced Alpha. No way. Tayo. Okay, then let's go. Okay, then wala. Manita buntinita. Come on. Just you are now in this video. Now let's go. Then come on. Come on, dude. Yes. Ano kaya may ball?
you're really trying to tell this, it's because probably you just wanted to release, you just wanted to. I hope that this will make you feel better after speaking it out. It might not be like 100%, but most likely the reason why you're saying this is because it's something that you cannot carry on anymore. But I hope you will feel better and hopefully you will find peace and hopefully that you will be able to you will be able to surpass this. And well, I'm gonna pray for you. Okay, don't worry. As part of my, um, help for you, and just of course, yeah. Well, you're not the only person who's also, telling me about things, what's going on with their life. There are also, I have a lot. And, since I'm just a simple teacher that you can connect with your English classes. But sometimes, going on a deeper note, when I see my students feel this way, I feel I don't know what to do too. Like I don't know how can up to what extent I can help you with. But since I have a religion and I believe in my God, so I think that's the least thing that I can do to pray that hopefully you're better. There might be some ways that I'd never lose hope. Okay, I think as they say, all this, whether it's good or bad that's happening, it will not stay there forever. So don't sit on it. Okay, keep going, keep doing what you need to get done, and um, I know I'm not in your position. I know that you are. How can I say? I know that I cannot do something because I can really feel your sadness and your frustrations and your loneliness. But I believe that this is the only way that I can help you with. To pray. It's okay to speak it out. I think it can help you at least, you know. So just hang in there.
Come on.
Just hang in there.
Come on. This is one only. Dude, put in your sack.
Don't say that. Mm, mm,
guys, thanks for watching and bye bye.